we're finally going to Shanti Stupa after having a really late lunch. There it is. Hello, good morning everyone. The day is Tuesday, June 25th, 2024. Time right now is 7:17 AM. The update from the group is that about 5 or 6 people have fallen sick. Mostly a cold, a fever. We had to extend our stay by another day in Leh. I just didn't want to sit idly in the hotel. So, I'm out on my solo adventure. I am heading towards Lama Yuru Monastery, which is approximately 2 hours 10 minutes away from here. I will also make a quick stop on the way at Sangam Point. There's a confluence that I want to see there, and the magnetic hill. I asked if anyone wanted to join me, but no one was in a position to, so I said might as well. I'm used to riding solo anyway, and what better way to travel than early morning when there's no traffic anywhere. Temperature would be around 10. Oh, it's 8 degrees. I have 2 layers on, which is decent enough. I think further throughout the day the temperature will increase. Weather forecast on the app was all clear and sunny, but currently it looks cloudy. I am carrying my rain layers, so if I need to, I am prepared for rain. It started drizzling very lightly, and the cars coming over from that side don't seem to be like completely wet. So I'm taking my chances for now instead of stopping. Cruising at 78-80, approximately 89 kilometers from Lama Yuru. Just cross University of Ladakh over there. Lesson to be learnt. I'm learning it the hard way, so anyone who's watching my videos doesn't repeat my mistakes. Never ever trust the weather forecast given by Apple on your iPhones. It is bright and sunny with zero forecast of rain, and as you can see, no rain. I'm just wearing my rain liners for shits and giggles. And now that I've finally worn the rain liners, the cloud cover has also passed. So, FML, am I right? Let's look at it from the positive side. I am in my 3rd layer now. So, if it's cool at Lama Yuru, I'm already well insulated. It's 7:43. I've just barely been riding for 40 minutes. Time to get back. Gurdwara Shri Patthar Sahib. Finally. I'm descending all the way. You tell me, does it not look like another planet in itself? Completely abandoned. I can't see a single person. This is the first time I've seen someone on this road. Hi puppy. You're also too lazy to like look up. Oh, there are like doggo checkposts here. But just this landscape. You have to find the time to slow down and enjoy the view. You can't be rushing everywhere. Everyone knows that the journey is more important than the destination. Destination is fine. You can hire a cab, you can get into a bus, you can catch a train, catch a flight if you just need to go from point A to B. But you need to be able to experience these places by just taking a moment. Google Maps has probably taken me through a wrong route or like a village route when I could have simply taken this highway. And sometimes I'm mad at Google, but this is one of those times I was like so glad I went through this mountain patch and the road is back to being fantastic again. About 12 kilometers from Saspol. Lamayuru is 66 kilometers away. It's 8:13. I left at 7:09. Srinagar from here is 380 kilometers. I'll just take a break now somewhere once I find like a high enough perch. Thank you guys for the work you're doing. Roadhouse Cafe and Restaurant. I wonder if I'll see Jake Gyllenhaal in here trying to fight off, who's that guy? That MMA fighter? That Irish cocky bastard. McGregor. There is a way to go down. Yep. Yeah, I can see tire tracks. I am going down. Just have to be careful, that's all. Yeah. Now this makes for a lovely breakfast spot. I think this is okay. This much adventure is okay. Okay, time for a quick protein bar, some water, and then cover 48 more kilometers. I'm going through Khalsi village right now. I'm approximately 19 kilometers from Lamayuru monastery. Can you see the river right next to this cliff face. No matter what today brings, I'll always think this was a good idea to take the solo ride out. Yeah, now you can see the river. You'll be able to see it clearly here. We have reached Lamayuru. Time is 9:53 AM. I think at some point I'll need to fuel up. I can do that in Nurla, a small town that came on the way. Breakfast in Khalse. Next step is to find a petrol pump. I will be making a stop at the Magnetic Hill and the Sangam Point, and then I'll be heading towards the hotel. Can you see the shadow on the mountain? Just this one giant cloud. I love these tires, man. I think I will be quite close now. 7 minutes away. Yeah, it's a part of the Nimu territory only. Nimu Kun, if you're watching this is a reference to you. This is the Sangam viewpoint I was talking about. Altitude of 10,657 feet. Confluence of Indus and Zanskar. Nothing much to look at, but still a tourist spot. Place 29 kilometers away. I'm punching it now.